Hello guys, we have a brand new bumper for the Arrma Kraton. This is our Thrasher version 3. It's just an updated version of our version 2 Thrasher, and this one just features a solid mounting brace and a narrower profile, so you don't have to worry about the wheels coming in contact with the bumper itself. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how to mount it onto your Kraton. I believe the brace and the blocks they should come assembled. If they're not assembled, this is how you do that. Okay, so take your notched block here, and what we're going to do is we're going to mount it to the brace first. Okay, with the notch facing towards the brace. Okay, and we're going to mount that with these M3 by 12 button heads. Okay, they're going to go just down through there and screw into the block. Okay, I'm going to tighten those up. Okay, now see, that should come assembled like that already, and also on the bumper. If not, this is how you do it. So next we'll attach that to the bumper itself. So there are the two holes back there, and then you have your M3 countersunk holes here. So it's going to go attach to the bumper just like that, okay? And we'll attach those using these M3 by 10 flathead socket screws. Okay, just going straight through there. Okay, just tighten those down. Okay, now if I'm not mistaken, this is how the bumper should come in the package. Okay, so let's get it onto the car itself. So we'll take off that body. Okay, and what you'll want to do is to remove the two screws on the bulkhead here. Or I guess it's the differential. Okay, so just remove those two screws and remove your four front chassis screws. Okay, and then all you'll do is you'll take your block, your second block here, and that will go right over the differential, and then you'll use these M3 by 25s to mount through the brace, through the block, with the rounded edges facing the car, and then that screws into the differential housing there. Okay, just like that. Should be able to see that pretty well. And we'll just screw that down. Okay, I got those secure. Next, we'll just secure the bumper to the chassis with our M4 by 16s. Okay, so we'll just line those up. There we are. Alright, and there you have it. There is our new Thrasher V3 front bumper for the Arrma Kraton. Let's see if we can get you a lower shot here. Yeah. And there you go. Thanks for watching.